A family in West Point is feeling more prepared for winter thanks to a generous donation from Blazer and help from Habitat for Humanity. Our Enzo Domingo takes you there as a new HVAC system was installed today.
I told my daughters this morning, I said, well, it's going to rain. I wonder, is it really coming? And I looked on my phone and the guy said, I'm on my way. This just shows you how dedicated everybody is in helping everybody.
This is our 8th repair now with Habitat for Humanity, where we've taken out an insufficient unit that no longer can even be upgraded or worked on and put in a new unit. Estimated costs for a job like this these days can run anywhere from $10,000 to $12,000.
Critical repair is so important to making sure people stay in their own housing. It feels impactful in a greater way than just we're putting an HVAC unit in one house today.
We needed it. We was using kerosene and 2 low heaters, and my daughter was like, Mama, it's cold. And when they called me yesterday and told me that they was coming today, oh my God, it was just a blessing.
Sometimes people really are at the end of their rope. They don't know how they're going to repair their home, how they're going to continue making their home livable. And when we're able to come in and just provide really a small uptick.
It's a great way for us to give back. I know it's the season of giving, but for us, we give 12 months out of the year.
It's a total relief. It's a total relief. I mean, it is just a blessing from God. God is so good to just send these people to just help me. And it's been wonderful.
The donation of the HVAC unit allowed Habitat for Humanity to build a new side deck with stairs and rails for Wanda.
That is so wonderful.
I know.
Huge life-changing things for her.
For sure, and I know she is overjoyed. Like the necessities that you take for granted sometimes.
Right.